everybody, it's me again. We are headed off to 2 Wall Street in Manchester once again. I guess another set of bathroom sinks are backed up. So, yeah, well, hope to see you at the end. Thanks. Alright, let's see if there's anyone in here. Oh, I guess they are all backed up, huh? Yeah, you're good.
Same scenario, men's and ladies.
Yeah, it's same setup too. So
Yeah.
it feels like I just did this
They have it all over again.
all over again.
I'm gonna go get
That
a,
doesn't work. Alright.
I'm just gonna go get a thing for the door, a little wedge or something.
Okay. Oh. Gonna let it drain down because it's all these sinks on both sides. So
Don't mind my asking, how long you been doing this kind of thing?
I've been doing it for the last 7 years.
Really?
My husband's the owner of the company, and he's been doing it for 25 years, I want to say 25. I think he said he started in 95 or 96.
I wanna do that too.
I was actually, when I met my husband, I was working for another plumber.
Yeah.
And I met my husband, and I was doing water heaters and stuff like that. And installs of that kind of stuff, like faucets and things like that. My husband can do all of that stuff too, but he prefers drain cleaning. He prefers drain cleaning, but he can do all of that. He can do all like faucet installs and hot water heaters and things like that too. So.
I kinda wouldn't be surprised if Mark thinks it's doing that anyway.
No, he's usually pretty good about stuff like that.
Yeah.
So. Alright, I'm gonna have you do the same thing that we did last time. All right, so I'm gonna test these sinks here. And then after we test these ones, if these ones are draining, I want you to run downstairs and test the second floor. Same thing with the first
Yeah,
floor.
you're going through that, and I'm thinking to myself, probably just going right down through.
Right. So we'll test this one. If this one doesn't have water start to come out here on me, if you can test the next 2 floors, it'd be perfect.
Yeah, first and second floor, yeah. I might even check my house.
Alrighty, and Paul's probably gonna check all these, so I'm just gonna get this connected back up, and then I think all of these could use a little TLC, because this one here is split right at this, so hopefully it doesn't drip. If it does, I'll just tell him 3rd floor. I'll just make him go around and check all of them. Well, I won't make him, but Mark can ask him if he can just check all of them and make sure that they're all.
Certainly reasonable.
See how it's gonna drip?
Yeah.
That's actually coming from here.
That's a crack.
Yeah, so there's a nut in the bottom of these ones, and it's not the washer that's there. There's actually the piece that comes down, the deep set part of the trap. There's a crack there. But so that you're not down a sink in this bathroom, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually wrap electrical tape around that section.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So that way there you can still use this. That way there you can still use this sink in this bathroom. It's just a temporary fix. Yeah, because there's a crack. It's a very fine crack, but a crack. And believe it or not, electrical tape works better than duct tape.
Oh, that's it, yeah. I use electrical tape. Things similar to that.
It probably sounds really crazy, but it does work a lot better.
Yeah, I wouldn't have thought about that too much, but it does shock me.
Because you can pull it tighter than you can duct tape. And even if
duct tape, yeah.
and even if the outside gets a little wet, it's not.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't use duct tape on that anyway.
If I had a whole nother setup in the truck, I'd probably just not do this, but unfortunately I don't, so. Alright, that should be good. And that should hold till they can get here and dry it. So it doesn't look the prettiest, but
Nobody's going to be looking down there either.
it's draining and not dripping. So
Shouldn't be a big deal.
it's dry. Alrighty, everybody. So that does it for 2 Wall Street. We checked the 2nd floor and the 1st floor as well. They have some other plumbing issues that they're gonna have to take care of. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you made it to the end. And I hope you will hit the subscribe button. Get us to 1,000 so we can have a live question and answer with you guys. If you'd like to know a little bit more about us personally or the business. So hit that subscribe button, help us get to 1,000, and we'd love to chat with you. Thanks!